Hello from Bali. Actually, we are in Nusa Lembongan,
which is one of the many islands which is very close to Bali. In fact, most people come here to Nusa Penida, which you might have heard about. But Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Ceningan are two small islands just to the west of it, and it takes only 30 minutes to get here. And it's such a beautiful place already.
In this video, we're going to take you all around Nusa Lembongan and explore this island with you, and maybe even explore Nusa Ceningan. So stick around till the end to find out.
You probably thought about Bali at least once before, maybe even dreamt about a visit to this popular island in Southeast Asia. And you must have wondered whether it's even doable on a tiny budget. After traveling through Thailand, Vietnam, and the Philippines, our expectations were already set high when we arrived in Bali 6 months into our Southeast Asia journey. And we were not disappointed. We saw it all. The blue beaches, the ancient temples, the waterfalls hidden inside deep jungles, the greedy monkeys, and even cultural ceremonies which we never thought we would get to see. All this and more in our series from the beautiful island of the gods, which is a great destination whether you're traveling alone, with friends, as a couple, or even the whole family. Come along and let's explore Bali together.
Hello, Madi. So what you see here is the Jungu Batu beach. It's in the same village as where we are staying.
We are at our second stop now. It's called Devil's Tear.
And we found parking about half a kilometer away. So now we have to walk in the hot sun.
It's too sunny.
Yeah, it's crazy the heat here. And for some reason they say Nusa Islands receive so much lesser rainfall and there's lesser cloud cover. So when you come here, come with a lot of sunscreen and hat and umbrella and whatnot. It's so sunny and bright here that for the first time in nearly 6 months I've taken out my sunglasses to wear it. So you can imagine. And yes, Shishira is doing the Habibi look.
Am I looking like a Superman?
No. Oh, look, tortoise.
Wow! Rainbow!
Can you see that fish? It's so big.
It's so hot, it's burning our skin, so we just decided to just sit here for a while and chill. Nusa Ceningan. We just crossed the yellow bridge and stopped here, and we can see so many people growing seaweeds.
Morning.
It's too deep for Shishira.
So now we are at a beach club here in the Ceningan Island.
And coming to one of these places was not on our list because usually they're very expensive.
Yeah.
And we read about so many of these scattered all over Bali, not just here in Nusa Islands. But essentially what happens is if you want to come to one of these day clubs, you have to basically pay like a cover charge. And then you get a voucher either for like 50% or 100% of the money you pay. And then you can use that to buy food and drinks in the restaurant. But here we found one of these places where there's no such conversion. It's like you just come here, buy what you want to eat or drink, and then you get to use all of these facilities for free.
They have a pool with a view of the beach, and then you can also see the Nusa Lembongan Island on the other side. And also if you go down, they have swings.
It's really nice. Like the water's perfectly cold and the hot sunny weather, and you'll really love this place. We'll put all of these details down below.
Yeah.
And you should definitely come here if you're traveling on a budget but want to experience everything you want to in these islands.
We never planned on coming here, but I think this is the best experience I've had in this island.
And we might just stay here all day long.
We should.
This is how we enjoyed a full day club experience for only 55,000 IDR. That's like what? 250, 260 bucks?
After playing at the beach club, we were really hungry, so we found a restaurant next to it itself. So we just walked across and came here for lunch. We've just ordered fries, and I've got my mango juice, and Navneet has got his lemon tea.
So now we are looking for this place that's called the Blue Lagoon, and it's supposed to be this rock formation with a beautiful blue beach.
We're not able to find it.
And of course the clouds have arrived, so the blue color might be a little grey. Oh look, there's somebody surfing there. Let's see. Looks like we found it. Let's go down now.
people there, they are harvesting seaweed.
Sunset.
How do I get hurt?
So now we're just hanging out with Danny because the three of us expected a beautiful sunset, and this is what we've got.
This is the main road. Look how deep the water is after the rainfall. The rain was so scary, and the ride here was even more scarier. The roads were flooded with water. It was almost like knee deep for me at least, and maybe half calf muscle deep for Navneet. It was like a big waterfall itself.
But it was the worst part was like even the roads are so flooded that we couldn't even ride the scooter. For the last 4 hours we sat in that sunset point. Obviously there was no sunset, and the thunder, the lightning was just so scary. Even the power's gone out all over the island except this village which is near our homestay. And we just came. Once the rain reduced a little bit, we got on the scooter and came off. 10-minute ride, and you can see we're soaking wet. We came here. Now we are at a small warung next to our homestay, and we've ordered bhaji. I don't know what this is called, but it's like a fried dumpling, and it comes with chili sauce sambal. And then we've also ordered some noodles. So we are waiting for it, hot food. It's very cold.
By the way, from that time we reached the sunset point, I've been wanting to have some French fries. And Navneet is like, let's not order here, let's go back to the warung and order there because you'll get more quantity there. So I said, okay. But now we have arrived and there's no French fries on the menu. I didn't know about it. I believed him completely, but he knew about it. And he just, cheated me. No French fries for me tonight. And he's just enjoying his sambar and, pakoras and... Look at him. He's so
We need to motivate some people sometimes to just go from A to B, and we had to come from there to here. French fries got the job done.
The B was supposed to be French fries. And he just got his pakoda. He's not even sharing it with me.
So now we've got a portion of vegetarian mee goreng. So typically mee goreng, which is like fried noodles with vegetables, it's made with vegetables and some portion of meat as well. But we asked for a vegetarian version, so we got it with some tempeh. Tempeh is very similar to tofu, but it's made with soy. And it looks pretty spicy, so let's dig in. And then you can send it to someone. Now come looking for Blue Lagoon view, which is supposed to be this fancy looking place, but we have not found it. Now we cannot see the Shishira either. Okay, now we can see.
Where is the Blue Lagoon?
Now we can't see. Can't see. Where is the Shishira? We don't have. Okay, it's there. It's there. It's not there. It's there.
By subscribing to our channel, you will make 2 rice-eating kids very happy. This will also encourage us to explore more of the world and take you along on this incredible journey. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you day after. Bye.